Hi everyone, I'm Anne-Sophie from the blog ecricut.com. I'm French speaking, but I will do my best so you can understand me. I have a crazy idea this night and I am going to begin a new challenge on Monday the 23rd of September until New Year's Eve, and each day I will make a project with the Cricut Maker. And I want you to join in and to make this challenge with me. It's very, very easy. It's for everyone, and especially the beginners of the Cricut Maker. And the objective beyond this huge challenge is to show everyone that the Cricut Maker, you can do everything with it, you can cut a lot of things, and it's very, very, very easy to use. So if you want to join my challenge, feel free to do it, and you can post all your creation, your everyday creation on my Facebook page, Je crée, je cut tutorial Cricut. It's in French, but everyone understands pictures, I think. And you can also post on Instagram and Facebook with the hashtag challenge Cricut. Tell me if you're interested in this challenge, and share this video with my very, very French accent. And voila. And voila! Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.